done, 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 done. Come on, guys. Done, done, done. And it's colors of wind. So it's step, 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 lift, step, 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 lift, step, around, step, around. Those are nasty arms for you too. Step. I'm talking to Izzy. Out. Step. Up. Down. Up. Walk around. Get your scarf. Alright. I'm gonna choke you out. So the first step is up, out, step, ball change, up, out, step, ball change, up, out, step, ball change, chasse here, step, ball change, step, ball change, step, turn, up, out, step, ball change, up, out, step, ball change, up, out, step, ball change, step, ball change, step, turn, step, cross, step, down, step, cross, step, down. After 3, step, down, you just do the down, 2, and step, cross, step, down, step, cross, step, down, step, cross, step, down, step, down, step, down. Next part is you're going to slide around with the right arm up, the left toe out like you do in your dance. So slide and step up 2, switch your hands, back 2. Slide, step up 2, back 2. Slide, step up 2, back 2. Slide, step up 2, back 2. Now you grab your corners, you walk up, and you wait, and then when the music changes, if you're exiting stage right, you do a switch this way. If you're going left, do it this way, and just go, keep it moving and walk on stage for your next part. Okay? Okay. So let's try it.
Oh, we need to give you a